So we have the fleshy part, the meaty part of their arm. We take a hold again like the butterfly posture. So we go to the top, to the loam, and we circle 10 times per class, 30 in your session, right? So 10 here. When you flow, you think 10. The technique, 10. And then Klaisen, down towards the index finger. We lean back. Is where we get that pressure from. We come back, 10 circles on the loam. Press in, lean back, take it towards the ring finger. As we come up, yeah, we're going to find our point hoku, which is right here in this fleshy part. Some may know it as a headache point, but this point hoku right in here. So we give a nice press. You feel the pulse, build some heat. Think of it as like filling them with good stuff, and then pinch off the bad stuff, throw it away. Yeah? And then we're going to roll the fingers to the sides, towards the outsides. And we're being ambidextrous. We're using both of our hands as we work to the center of theirs. But when we get to the middle finger, one of our hands supports theirs. Yeah? And then we come up onto our knees and we tuck our toes. We rotate our hands, now we're butterflying, or looks like a butterfly from the inside of their palm. We're going to make fire. We're going to press up, drawing up from the loam towards the fingers and thumb. Again, here, a few times in your session, as many as you want. And then we're going to come in, kind of like fold their hand in, and then lean forward to bring it open. Come in, slide open. Again, slide open. So that pressure is coming from us leaning forward. And we are strong because our toes are tucked. Yeah? And then here, we support the joints and we work our way down. Again, working from the outside of the digits to the inside, while we are working with both of our hands, supporting their fingers, bending them back, just to their point of resistance. Yeah? Support the hand when you get to that middle finger. And then we're going to sit low. All right, I'm step up a finger behind. And we'll sit low. And here, we're going to hook our fingers. And again, instead of not just pulling, we're going to lean back for the pressure. Circle, pull, lean back. Circle, pull, lean back. Just let it move away. Again, think of it as like pulling out any bad stuff. Yeah. It doesn't have to be that dramatic, but in your head, if you're wondering what to do. And then, again, butterfly. But our fingertips, kind of like what we do under here. So here, our fingertips come together and we press and we break bread. I have a bread head, so I love rolls. So if you think about breaking open your favorite piece of bread, to put that cup of butter, cup of ghee in there, this is it. And then once you've gotten your bread fix in, you got to ride your bike to work off that gluten. So we're going to put our hands on the outside, and we're going to roll, pedal the bike, get it moving, hear that sound. Give them a shake, hold whichever side, give them a meaty part. Drop down.